McCoy411. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is the same updo I tried to do with the perm rods. But it just didn't work out too good. So I don't believe in wasting product. I put that product on my hair, and you can reactivate your product by just using water. So I'm going to reactivate the products that's in my hair and do a wash and go on my hair. You don't believe me? You don't believe me, do you? You don't think you can do that, right? Yeah, you can do that. You can do that, honey. I'm going to show you how, because I am not wasting product at all. At all. So what I'm going to do, and I still found another twist. Boy, maybe if I would have untwisted them all, I wouldn't have such a problem. But I have to detangle my hair. So I'm going to go in with some of my fenugreek spritz and detangle my hair. Gotta make some more. Gotta put that on my to-do list. So I'm just gonna detangle my hair. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna detangle it with the Velvet Flow 4-in-1 leave-in conditioner. It says detangle and curl refresher. So we're gonna detangle with this. Sure is. And we're gonna make a bomb wash and go. Bomb wash and go. I get scared now when I say I'm gonna do a bomb this, and then I have a fluke like I did. But I really thought that was gonna turn. Here go another twist, y'all. Y'all, your girl gotta get it together. Gotta get it together. It's soft and it smells good. Making my hair very, very soft. So, I think I like this. I really think I like this. Easy to detangle. Easy to detangle. I don't know why I'm so precise on the parts, because the parts are not going to matter in a minute. They're not going to matter, but I'm trying to separate what I have detangled and what I have not detangled. Wet this section of my head. And add product as I need to. Okay, so let's see. Going in with a little extreme. And I did not do a product test, so I hope this works out right. Looks like it's gonna be a good one. So really don't want to put too much stuff on my head. Yeah. Those are my curls. And I didn't add no more of the gel because I already have the gel in my hair. And the water just woke up the gel. So I'm just adding the extreme wetline gel. Bloop! Where there's a will, there's a way. You see, anything is possible. Anything. I used those same products that were already in my head, added some of the velvet faux leave-in to detangle my hair, and then on top of that went in with fenugreek spritz, wet my hair, added the extreme wetline gel, and bam, a defined wash and go. Girl, what? Girl, what? I mean, you just, what? Ain't nothing. You better get that dirt off your shoulder. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe. Click on that red subscribe button and that bell icon. Select all because I am on a natural hair journey and I'm taking you all with me. So keep God first in everything you do, and I do mean everything. I'm going to go let my hair dry outside. Yeah, I'm going to be wearing this for a couple of days. See ya.